9 years of age. The daughter of Mr. Vincent Malia Lucero and Rosemary Lucero. She loves to dance and drawing. When she grows up, she wants to be a teacher someday. Her motto in life, ang sumunod sa payo ng ating mga magulang ay may magandang patutungo. Once again, let us give her a round of applause, our third baby queen, Maria Arby to sing Lucero.
Hindi nagliliga dito.
And our baby queen, Maria J. E. Chiati.
Yata malinaw ang camera ko ngayon. Pinartipang.
Sorry, second in front with her beauty sport, Jarvie Vargas. Arian is 9 years of
Kaya na
age,
lang ko yan yung video.
born on September 29,
Walang
2014.
kablo eh. Walang kablo sa...
She is the first daughter of R.B. Articati and Jeanette Fanner. She loves reading books and dancing as her hobbies. She wants to be a teacher someday.
Naglalaro dito ng basketball si Tina.
As her
Hindi.
motto,
Nagma-Minecraft.
ang tunay na karangalan
Marunong.
ay nag-uumpisa
Hindi na nagbabasketball.
sa pagganap sa
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya.
Once again, second in front, baby queen Arian Ticati. Let us give her a big hand here. Palakpakan naman po. Gising pa ba ang agubunyas?
Palakpakan mo naman po dyan. Yan, para mabuhay. My dear ladies and gentlemen, first place was Baby Queen of the Night, Her Highness Princess Joy C. Delica. With her escort, Auntie Jacob Moreno.
Ipopost ko sa reels, baka sumikat tayo. Ganito pa naman gusto
She
nilang
is
panoorin.
8 years old.
Oh, may mga reward na.
Born on January 10, 2016.
Ay, award namin yan sa ano kasi. Nag-basketball sila kanina?
She is the daughter of Mr. Raul C. Delica and Ami C. Delica.
Yun natin.
Her hobbies are singing and dancing. When she grew up, she wants to be a doctor someday.
Si Vera.
Ewan ko, mamaya pa sila doon. Ibidyoan natin.
Pero sumali si Vera. Sa ganyan.
She
Sayaw.
believes that whatever you are, be a good one. Let us take a dance once again to our first baby queen, Princess Joy C. Delica. Let us give her a round of applause.
Sabay lang ako. Sabay pa.
And now, the much awaiting event, the 2024 Baby Queen of tonight. We have the charming Baby Queen, Her Highness, Siren D. Palipik, along with her dusty sword, Rich Anthony, and Delicate. She is 6 years old, the first daughter of Mr. Sigler Palipik and Mayan D. Palipik.
Ayun yung mga judges.
Dancing is her hobby.
Uy, napaka.
Ba't di sumali si Vera sa kanya?
To become a police woman is her dream. When she grow up, her motto in life is ang batang pusog sa pangalan, paglaki, marangal. She is also a smart girl.
May panira, oh. May panira sa mga nagpipinto.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us give her a round of applause to our 2024 Baby Queen, Siren D. Palipik.
At this point in time, we are about to witness the entrance of the Lady Queen of the night. Entering our hall is Her Royal Highness, Fourth Lady Queen,
Daan.
Angelica D. Mendoza. With her long, dark and handsome escort, John Brian I. Cabuenas. Angelica is 18 years of age. Born on September 19, 2005. She is the daughter of Mr. Benito Mendoza and Melissa D. Mendoza. Her hobbies are volleyball and eating. Her dream is to become a policewoman someday. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our fourth Lady Queen, Angelica D. Mendoza.
Next in front is our third Lady Queen, Graciela Joy C. Allen, 15 years of age, born on September 15, 2008. Her father is Cesar F. Panet, and her mother, Sharon C. Panet. Hobby and playing online games
Hanggang kay
is
Vera.
her hobbies. Her ambition is to finish her study, to help her family, to have a comfortable life, and to fulfill her dream to become a soldier someday. As for her motto, no matter where you go or turn, you will always end up at home. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give her a round of applause. Our third Lady Queen, Graciela Joy C. Panet.
Her Highness, our second Lady Queen, Mrs. Nicole Hernandez. age 14. With her escort, Michael Hernandez. Born on September 25, 2009. She is the daughter of Michael S. Hernandez and Elita O. Managlayos. Her hobbies are dancing and throwing. Her dream is to become a teacher someday. Her motto in life: if you want to learn, do it by yourself. Because that's the biggest weapon you'll have in your life. Once again, let us give her our sounding applause, our second Lady Queen, Princess Micael B. Hernandez.
Ano ba yung piya?
Her Highness, our first Lady Queen, Princess Angelica J. Santoria. With her good-looking escort, Vincent Kylie K. Tuazon. Princess is 19 years of age. She is the first daughter of Mr. Andy Almusara Cantoria and Mami Javier Cantoria. To sing is her hobby. Her ambition in life is to finish her study and to have a stable job in a hotel and restaurant. Her motto is your smile makes you pretty, but your personality makes you beautiful. Let us take a glance once again to our first Lady Queen, Princess Angelica J. Cantoria.
King yun? Sino yun? Si Idol.
Let us give them a sounding applause.
Boy, si Idol.
Palakpakan naman po dyan. Yan, kailangan po po ng buhay. Wala po natutundo.
Kasi partner, natutulala sila sa ganda ng ating mga Lady Queen and Lady Queen.
Kaya nga po, very stunning ang mga...
They are all beautiful.
Actually, hindi ako tingnan po sa ako. Tuloy lang. Game blue.
Ipi, Pichu. Sisikat tayo dito, sisikat.
And now, to witness the entrance of our 2024 Lady Queen of the Night, let us give her a round and resounding applause. Her Highness 2024 Lady Queen, Chelsea Hams D. Sarvida. Along with her stunning escort, King Nathan E. Delica. Chelsea is 12 years old. Born on December 26, 2011. She is the daughter of Cesar Vida and Honey Joy D. Sarvida. Playing sports and dancing are her hobbies.
Marami yung views ko sa YouTube.
As your motto in life, don't waste your time in anger, regrets, worries, and grudges. Life is
Si
too
Yamsi
short.
pala yun, hindi ko nakilala. Talaga naman may pag-load sa Ruhado ah. Yan, panalo eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, 2024 Lady Queen, Jamsi Hams Caesar Vida. Let us give her our sounding applause.
Yung pa sila. Ano ba? Bayang mag-ibig, pero sa silabanan, hanap ng puso, sa likid mo'y buhay. Luwang hinihilang, wala ng mag-ibig, sa mandulubing, di ka masisingil, sa lahat tutol sa simulan, sa langit mong pagkaw, ay hinatang lahat awit sa pagkayo nilamangan, awit sa nagpatawag mo'y natumpay na nag-iigil, ang pituloy na tawag niya kailan kung ay di mag-iigil, luman ang araw ng maraming pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo, at hindi kaya ng tangkay mag-api, ang namatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You may now take your seats.
Take your seats.
Take your seat.
Our distinguished
Muna
guests,
tayo.
our crowning baby and Lady Queen, respected government officials,
Hit!
this evening,